Once upon a time in Bunnyland, one shiny carrot cost just one leaf. Life was simple. Rabbits hopped happily, munching away. But then something changed. Farmer Fluff started growing more carrots. Great, right? More carrots for everyone. But at the same time, the bunny bank began printing extra leaves. Suddenly, every rabbit had more leaves in their paws, but the same old number of carrots in the fields. Now, every rabbit rushed to buy carrots. Demand went boing, but carrots didn't grow overnight. So Farmer Fluff said, maybe I can charge 2 leaves for 1 carrot. And just like that, carrot go up. Rabbits were shocked. Yesterday, 1 leaf could buy lunch. Today, it only buys half a snack. Leaf no good, they cried. That's inflation, my fuzzy friends. When the price of carrots goes up because the value of leaves goes down. Soon, smart rabbits started hoarding carrots. They said, why save leaves? Tomorrow, they buy less carrot. Others planted carrot seeds, hoping to grow their wealth naturally. Some even started trading. I'll give you 1 big carrot for 2 baby carrots later. Bunny Wall Street was born, but not all rabbits were happy. I worked all year, and my savings buy fewer carrots, said old Rabbit Joe. Inflation made his pile of leaves feel lighter than ever. Eventually, Bunny Bank slowed down the printing. Farmer Fluff balanced the fields, and carrot prices stopped hopping around so wildly. Moral of the story? When too many leaves chase too few carrots, carrot go up, rabbit sad. But when carrots and leaves grow together, rabbit happy. So keep your burrow balanced, your carrots fresh, and your leaves in check. This has been Inflation Explained with Carrots. Please subscribe.